I'm a big proponent that simple is oftentimes better. And with all the product research softwares out there charging an arm and a leg to show you products that have sold a lot in the past, today I want to show you a way to keep it real simple. So in this video, we're going to be reviewing some winning products on TikTok. Now, the definition of a winning product is basically a product that is popular and sells really well. But I want to add a little bit of a caveat to this definition. I think a winning product should be a product that sells well and is popular, but that also works well. I think many people get into the habit of just trying to sell anything that will make them money without even realizing what they're selling. So we're on TikTok right now, and as you can see, this is the simplest product research method of all time, and in my opinion, probably the best. So are you ready for this? It's pretty advanced, I'm not gonna lie. What you have to do is go on the search bar and type TikTok made me buy it. So if you can handle that, then you'll be able to find some pretty dope products. So drop a quick like for these advanced techniques that we're sharing here. You won't get this anywhere else, so you might as well subscribe. But anyways, what's cool about this is it shows you how many views some of these videos are getting. For example, this video right here literally has 39 million views. Now, unfortunately, I will have to mute most of these because they use copyrighted music and I'm not trying to get a copyright strike on my channel. But let's take a look at one of these. Okay, let me mute it. Okay, so you place the glass and then apparently you can just pour some tequila on there and it starts swirling around or something, and it just mixes it. So this little thing mixes your drink for you. So it's basically a drink mixer. That's kind of cool. I've never seen this before. It's kind of like a total party product, but there's a lot of parties going on here pretty soon for the holiday season, so you could angle it towards that. Yeah, pretty cool. This video has like 8 million views, so a lot of people are interested in something like this. Okay, this one doesn't have copyrighted music, so let's take a look.
Amazon home gadgets you didn't know you needed. If you live in a home that doesn't have a fireplace, hear me out. Trust me, this is so worth your time. This is a mini personal fireplace that burns for around 45 minutes straight and is safe to use inside. It's filled by 5 ounces of alcohol and is made of cement that's non-absorbent. Not only can you make s'mores over the fire indoors, you can also cook basically anything that you can put on a stick. Think about hot dogs, pineapple chunks, and so much more. Amazon home gadgets you didn't know you needed.
I actually really like that. I want to get one of those. Imagine if I had that sitting right here while I record my videos. That would be sick. This one has copyrighted music, unfortunately. Okay, so it's an Amazon package. Most of these products you can find on Amazon, and if you can find it on Amazon, you can probably find it on AliExpress or Alibaba. Oh, that's actually really dope. So it's like a floating light bulb. So yeah, levitating light bulb, that's what it's called, with wireless charger. Interesting. So yeah, that one has 16 million views. That's pretty insane how many people are interested in something like that. Now let's see this one. Okay, so this one doesn't have copyrighted content.
I bought it so you don't have to, part 1.
TikTok has shown me this thing on my FYP a couple of times, so naturally I had to buy it. It's a charging cable with little magnetic pieces that keep everything nice and neat.
Yeah, that's dope.
Okay, the actually crazy part about this is that the tip is magnetic as well, and it comes with interchangeable pieces, so you could use it for an iPhone or an Android. Not gonna lie, I really liked this one.
I want one of those.
I bought it so you don't have to, part 1.
That's such a good idea. That's insane.
TikTok has shown me this thing on my FYP.
I really, really love that. I'm kind of a neat freak when it comes to cables. I always wrap my cables up. This would be so helpful for me. I really love this. So it's just a charger cable that has these magnetic things that allow it to coil itself, and also the tip is magnetic. That's so cool. And this one has 37 million views. Now let's take a look at this one. 3 million views.
I saw my friend Carolina share this viral sippy cup and I knew I had to try it. It's a straw cup that is supposed to be spill resistant. I filled it with water, gave it a little shake, and it seems to check out. It's really cool. Back with another TikTok made me buy it.
Cup. That's just like such a funny product because it's so small. Like, what is the point of this? It's gonna be like 2 sips and you're done. But hey, people love this stuff, so clearly there's something I'm not getting here. But this has 3 million views, so a lot of people are into it. Okay, let's take a look at this one. This one has 58 million views. Oh, it's to make like potato chips. Wow, that's a good idea actually for like a kitchen gadget. I want one of those. Damn, I see why people do spend a lot of money on this type of stuff, because they make these products look so good. Like literally just this as an ad, I bet would get like a 4 ROAS on Facebook. So simple. I think a lot of people just like make their ads so crazy and add all these like animations and stuff, and I don't think it really does anything for the video and for the ad. I think it would be just as effective like this. I mean, look at 58 million views. That has to mean something. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Sorry, copyrighted music again. So, okay, it's this little, oh, that's cool. So it's like a snack and a drink at the same time. That's kind of cool. It's interesting at the very least. So you can have a drink and a snack at the same time with just one little bottle. That's cool. I like it. Okay, let's see this one. 8.6 million views. Okay, so it's just the classic levitating lamp. I think I've seen these before. Whoa, they have a moon one now? I've never seen that. That's sick. That's like taking the moon lamp product, which was so popular, and then mixing it with a levitating platform. That's awesome. I actually would like one of those. I would love to have one like right here while I'm filming my videos, so I could be like looking into the future. Okay, this one is 3.7 million views. Let's see. TikTok made me buy it. So it's just these shoes with wheels on them. Classic. That would be like a good high ticket product. I bet you could sell that for like a decent amount of money. That's so useless, but it's just like a cool gimmicky product. Okay, let's see. This person bought whatever this is. Oh, it's like an ice dispenser. I've seen that before actually. Let's see how well it works. Whoa. Damn, you get an ice glass? Or wait, what am I not understanding? Oh, okay. It is just an ice dispenser. An ice maker, you could say. Okay, TikTok made me buy it. What the heck? Oh, it's just jars. So they use soap dispensers as for their toothpaste and mouthwash. That's actually kind of clever. You could make something like that, like sell a really aesthetic looking soap dispenser, but angle it towards this. That would be kind of clever. Okay, let's see. I'm taking a shower and someone's trying to open the door. I don't know what it is, who it is. I'm actually really scared. Wow, the acting is just unreal. Oh, the shower case. So a shower case. That's kind of smart, actually. I would like a shower case like that for when I'm taking a shower. Look at that's funny. These people are just amazing storytellers. This is such a good ad if you think about it. Like, it's kind of dumb. Like, I mean, when would that ever happen? But it's kind of funny. And like most of the time you do still have your phone nearby in the shower. But that's clever. That's a good product idea in my opinion. So that has 10 million views. So this brand, whoever's running this, 10 million views organically. That's pretty powerful. Let's take a look at this. You guys keep asking if you can stick bananas in our hand massager. Let's be realistic. That's kind of funny. The hand bed. That's funny, man. People are so clever on TikTok. This has 8 million views for this one product. That's crazy. So it's just like a hand massager. Okay, let's see. TikTok made me buy this cute carton. I've seen these before. These aren't that impressive. People do like this kind of stuff. It is aesthetically pleasing, I'll say that, but not very functional. I mean, it's kind of inconvenient and it's like plastic. Actually, there's benefits to having plastic as this thing because like at least it won't break if you drop it. And that has 4.3 million views. Okay, so this person is opening something up here. What is it? From Amazon. Oh, it's just a stuffed animal. Wow. Yeah, the plush niche is so good. This has 1.5 million views. Let's see this. Oh, it's just ice. They're just deep ice cubes. Oh, whoa. That's actually sick. For taking shots. I really like that. TikTok made me buy this. They're kind of slow at opening packages sometimes. What is this? Oh, it's a beauty product. It's like an eyeshadow palette that's just really aesthetic. Huh.
TikTok made me buy this.
Wow. Well, I think that's a good one to wrap it off on. I mean, we looked at a lot of different products here, and really I just wanted to give you the idea of using this simple but effective method to find winning products. And again, make sure that when you're doing this, you're finding products that people actually really like. I think that's the biggest benefit of this, is like when you're looking at product research softwares, you're seeing a lot of products that maybe have sold well, but they're just total BS. Like they're not actually going to provide any sort of value for anyone. Whereas with this type of product research method, you can see what people are actually loving. That way you know that at least what you're selling is actually functional and people do actually like it, and you'll get good reviews, you'll get a good Facebook feedback score, and you'll be able to build a sustainable business. So yeah, this is my favorite way of product research. And honestly, it kind of gives me a lot of ideas for viral TikToks. I really want to start going hard making TikToks. But yeah, I would love to know what you think about all this. I mean, I'm always curious to know you guys' opinions, and just having conversations in the comments is awesome. So don't hesitate to leave me a comment. And of course, if you got some value out of this video, make sure that you drop a like. It always helps the videos do a little bit better. And subscribe to the channel if you're trying to learn with me every single day. But yeah, that's all I got for this one. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.